It's really great for Covestro to be able to support the United Nations Environment with the Young Champions of the Earth Award. After last year, where we had more than 600 entries, we're delighted to start another year's competition. Last year, the winners, 6 amazing, innovative, impactful, important projects. Those winners were absolutely incredible. Covestro staff are now giving support to the top 30 entrants from last year, and they're really enjoying working with these enthusiastic young people who are just having a wonderful time building on their ideas to really make a difference. And that's really what's important. I want to encourage all young people to enter this competition again this year. So here we go. Let's try and beat the 600 entries, and let's all work together to make the world a brighter place.